everyone, so in today's video I'll be showing you how to make a quest system in Roblox Studio. It's very easy. All you have to do, I will just give you the link in the description. Just open the link and then open it with Roblox Studio. You will have this one here in your models in the toolbox. So after that, this will open for you. Just right click on it, click on ungroup, and then you need to follow the instruction, ungroup it in replicated storage. Let's move it here. No, just move to right. Let's ungroup this one, replicate storage. After that, we will move this in server script server. We will move it here in the script server. Let's ungroup it another time. And this in the starter. We'll move it here. And as you can see, the changes are doing well. You can see here, ungroup it in starter pack. Let's search for starter pack. Do it again. And then last one, group it in the workspace. Let's ungroup. And then make sure to go to game settings, save access to Roblox, got it, name description basically. Then click on save, delete, and then just play. And as you can see, we have our make quest uh, doing good in Roblox Studio. So that's all. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button for more tutorials.